Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Counter Culture Epoxy Resin is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly epoxy resin systems available on the market today, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crafters looking to create stunning, durable, and high-gloss finishes on a wide variety of projects, from tabletops and countertops to intricate art pieces and jewelry. Its low viscosity allows for easy pouring and self-leveling, minimizing bubbles and ensuring a smooth, professional-looking result every time, while its UV resistance helps prevent yellowing over time, preserving the beauty of your creations for years to come. Number 5. Puduo Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear Art 1 gallon. Introducing Puduo's Crystal Clear Art Epoxy Resin, a premium 2-part kit perfect for all your creative endeavors. Achieve stunning, long-lasting results for coating, casting, and crafting. Specifically formulated for resin artists, this kit provides a crystal clear finish that enhances any project. You'll receive 64 ounces of resin and hardener, along with a convenient pump for easy mixing. Experience the convenience of our fast-curing formula. Your creations can be demolded in as little as 8 hours and fully cured within a day. Simply mix equal parts resin and hardener for a 45-minute workable time. From intricate resin jewelry to durable tabletops and bar countertops, this versatile resin is ideal for a wide range of art projects. Let your imagination guide you to endless possibilities. We stand by our product with a 1-year replacement warranty and lifetime technical support. Your satisfaction is our priority, so feel free to reach out with any questions. What we like. This resin offers a unique fast-curing formula, allowing finished casts to be removed in as little as 8 hours. Its straightforward 1-to-1 mix ratio makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you're an artist looking for quick project turnaround without compromising on quality, this is an excellent choice for coating, casting, and crafting. What people say. This epoxy resin cures crystal clear and is very easy to mix and pour. The finished product is incredibly durable and scratch-resistant, perfect for tabletops. It has a low viscosity, which helps to minimize bubbles and achieve a smooth finish. Number 4. Clear UV Resin by Counter Culture DIY. Achieve a stunning, crystal clear finish that looks just like glass. This product is perfect for bringing your creations to life with a beautiful shine. Create keychains, earrings, and more in just minutes. It's also ideal for quickly adhering small components or fixing imperfections on your existing crafts. Getting started is incredibly easy as there's no mixing required. Simply pour in thin layers and cure under a UV lamp for best results. Feel free to add your favorite colorants to personalize your projects. Keep in mind that adding color may require a slightly longer curing time under the UV lamp. Surprise the crafter in your life with this fantastic resin. It pairs wonderfully with our other supplies like pigments and wood cutouts for endless creative possibilities. Once cured, you'll be left with a hard, durable finish. Say goodbye to annoying sticky residue and hello to a perfectly finished piece every time. What we like. This UV resin cures in minutes under a UV lamp, making it ideal for small projects like jewelry and keychains, or as a quick adhesive. It's perfect for doming or fixing imperfections without the need for mixing. If you need instant results for small-scale crafting or repairs, this product is your go-to solution. What people say. This epoxy resin is incredibly easy to use, with a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio that makes it perfect for beginners. The finished product has a crystal clear, glass-like finish that really makes colors pop and adds a professional touch to my projects. It cures hard and durable, resisting scratches and yellowing, which means my creations will last for years to come. Number 3. Tabletop Epoxy Resin 2-gallon Kit. Achieve a stunning, crystal clear finish with our superior epoxy resin. It's designed to be bubble-free and resist yellowing, ensuring your projects look amazing for years to come. Rest assured, our product is food-safe once cured and meets strict compliance standards. It also features minimal odor and zero VOCs, making it safe for your home or professional space. Getting started is simple with our easy-to-use 1-to-1 mixing ratio. Just combine equal parts of the resin and hardener, stir, and pour for a perfect finish every time. This coating provides excellent scratch and water resistance, ensuring a long-lasting, super glossy finish. It self-levels beautifully for a professional look. We are proud to offer a high-quality, reliable product made right here in the USA. It's the ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on art, tabletops, countertops, or small castings, our epoxy resin is the perfect solution. It's trusted by artisans and professionals for its versatility and quality. What we like. This tabletop epoxy boasts a food-safe certification and is designed to resist yellowing, ensuring a durable, high-gloss finish. Its easy 1-to-1 mix ratio and self-leveling properties make it perfect for DIY bar tops and countertops. If you're creating functional surfaces that require both safety and a professional, long-lasting shine, this American-made option is highly recommended. What people say. It's a great product for beginners. The resin cures crystal clear and is very durable. It mixes easily and has a long working time, which is perfect for intricate projects. Number 2. Clear Quick Coat Sealer, 8-ounce bottle. Discover Clear Quick Coat Sealer, your essential epoxy supply for a flawless finish. This 8-ounce bottle provides a crystal clear, non-yellowing seal for all your creative projects. Prepare your artwork for the perfect resin pour. This sealer locks your designs in place, preventing movement and ensuring a smooth, transparent surface for your next layer. It's not just for resin art. Use it to seal marble dips, glitter, vinyl, and decals. It's also ideal for attaching glitter or fabric to smaller items like jewelry, keychains, and tumblers. Applying it is easy. Simply brush on a thin layer, let it dry to the touch, and apply a second coat. Ensure it's completely dry before pouring your resin for a professional, waterproof finish. Looking for the perfect gift? This is a great choice for any crafter, DIY enthusiast, or artist. Pair it with other supplies for a complete creative experience. Enjoy peace of mind with this waterproof sealer. It's formulated with no VOCs, making it a safe and effective choice for both indoor and outdoor projects, including signs. What we like. This quick coat sealer is a VOC-free solution that protects your resin art by preventing movement of materials like glitter or vinyl before pouring the main resin layer. It provides a crystal clear, smooth finish and is also perfect for waterproofing outdoor signs or sealing smaller craft items. If you're looking for a protective base layer that ensures a flawless finish and adds durability, this sealer is an essential first step. What people say. This epoxy resin is crystal clear and has a very low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. It cures to a hard, durable finish with excellent scratch resistance and UV protection, preventing yellowing over time. The working time is generous, allowing for intricate designs and multiple pours without rushing. Number 1. Counter Culture DIY Culture Cast 2-gallon Kit. Introducing Culture Cast, a 2-gallon kit designed for artists. This easy-to-use epoxy resin provides a crystal-clear finish and remains flexible even after curing. Achieve a flawless cast in just 24 hours with this specially formulated casting resin. It allows for a casting depth of up to 2 inches, perfect for your creative projects. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with its simple 1-to-1 mix ratio. This thick resin ensures your artwork maintains its shape and style during the curing process. This softer resin is ideal for artistic creations, offering a unique flexibility. It's also incredibly easy to sand and buff, achieving a beautiful glass-like finish. Its thicker viscosity is perfect for suspending lightweight materials like glitter and mica. While not recommended for functional art, it excels in decorative casting. Surprise the creative person in your life with this fantastic kit. It's a perfect gift for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and artists looking for quality supplies. What we like. This casting resin is specifically formulated to provide a crystal clear yet flexible finish, perfect for casting projects up to 2 inches deep. Its thicker viscosity helps suspend media like glitter and inks effectively, and it's exceptionally easy to sand and buff. If you're a casting artist who values flexibility and ease of finishing, especially for decorative pieces, this resin offers a unique advantage. What people say. This epoxy resin is incredibly easy to mix and pour, resulting in a crystal clear, bubble-free finish every time. The self-leveling properties of this resin are fantastic, making it perfect for tabletops and countertops where a smooth surface is essential. I was impressed by the UV resistance of this product. it didn't yellow or degrade even after prolonged exposure to sunlight, maintaining its glossy appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.